Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop. We're actually going to be making a proper professional coal forge. So, what I have here is I have 9" by 9" plate that I got cut into two for the two sides. I got 2 sheets of this 19.5 roughly by 10 or 11, something like that, plate. Then I got it cut in half, and then I got my brake drum right over here. So this is going to be the actual forge. One thing before you start grinding, make sure you got a face mask. Other than that, let's get to it. To just pop in real quick. Right now I couldn't get any footage of me welding my forge up yet, just for the fact that this is my grandparents. I was still learning how to stick weld. I've never stick welded before this, so this was my first weld of arc welding. These are really bad, but I had a lot of issues with the electrode, and also the fact that this is all painted steel. But yeah, so I'm hoping to get a few clips of welding on the sides of these. Other than that, I got the brake drum. I don't know how hot that is, it's still pretty hot. But I got that all welded on, so right now this could actually work as a forge as long as I set up something with the actual airflow. But other than that, let's see what else we can film. Alright guys, so that concludes this video for today. So far, this is the turnout. I've got it propped up on some sawhorses, with some bricks obviously so they don't burn. But I've been working with this for a little bit. It's been a lot of fun. It definitely gets much hotter than my old forge. So in that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down in the comment section down below for future video ideas. And other than that, have a wonderful day.